And this is the IoT-based smart vehicle monitoring system. And the project members are myself, V. Ayyappan, Pradeep Parvi, and Sandeep B.S. Supervisor named Dr. G. Sarvana Kumar, Professor, Department of VC. On average, 37 children died in US due to their careless parents. The system only alerts but also provides association which cools the temperature and increases the oxygen content. We are using the Internet of Things here. Is a networks of physical devices, vehicles. Abstract, we propose the IoT based intelligent life monitoring system for vehicles. The ESP8266 uses a hub for transmission and control of the data, and with Blink from UBDOT's platform. It is an efficient and cost efficient smart vehicle system in our design. The next one is the requirements of this project: hardware ESP8266, MQ135, DHT11, LCD display, relay module, motor. Software such as Webhooks, UBDOT's app. We are using the Blink app. We are using here. These are the requirements for this project. Then these are literature survey. You can see here. And then the existing system, the Internet of Things based life monitoring system for vehicles is proposed, which combines vehicle interior environment monitoring and emergency management mechanism. This value sends a text message to register number whenever the certain value is reached. The disadvantages does not contain any kind of device which can reduce the heat and provide air circulation. These are the only disadvantages for this project, and this is the existing system. And our objective of this project is to design and implement the smart vehicle monitoring system for vehicle and alerting system using IoT. Through IoT, the values can be visualized in real time. Smart vehicle monitoring system sends alert message if humidity and oxygen level is at low or high temperature to the registered mobile number. The system monitors the amount of oxygen, temperature, and humidity inside the vehicle using temperature and humidity gas sensor to measure the amount of CO2. And these are the objective of this project. Then the proposed system ESP8266 is used in this project. The ventilation system is controlled by Node MCU. The sensors such as DHT11, MQT135PA are sensors for the input device which measure the parameters in real time. The LCD display is to display the motor status. UBDOTs and Webhooks is used to view the parameters and to send message to the registered mobile number. The ventilation fan is turned on whenever needed automatically when it reaches certain value. The LCD display is used to display the motor status. This motor can be controlled through the Blink app. And the DH11 and Inquit 135. These are the block diagram for this project, and you can see it clearly. Okay, the next slide is the advantages. Multiple ways have been implemented and used to access and control the device at physical switch. All these are non-independent, so that each way of access can be used at any time. Since the devices are connected by Wi-Fi and cloud, the network of devices can be accessed and controlled from anywhere around the world. The user can check and control devices through the secured portal given specialty. Death can be prevented by circulating air inside the vehicle. These are the advantages of this project. And the components used are ESP8266, MQ135, DH11 relay module, LCD display, I2C module, and the DC module. These are the components in this project. And the software required is Arduino IDE, and the online platform is UB.'s mobile app and the mobile app dash Blink app. The Arduino IDE and the Webhooks, and we know we are talking about Arduino IDE. Arduino IDE is a development environment, is a cross-application platform that is written programming language Java. And the UBDOTS is IoT platform empowering innovators and industries to prototype and scale to IoT projects, and you can run to an alert based on real-time data and unlock. Webhooks are the one apps that can send automated messages of information to other apps. And they are the simple way. Is free of cost. The Blink app is a platform with iOS and Android apps to control Arduino, Raspberry Pi, and likes over the internet. In this project, we are controlling the motor using virtual switch. This controls the device via internet, and this is the circuit diagram for our project. You can clearly see that. Next, we are coming to the connectivity of this project. Have used ventilation system and cloud. Ventilation system. This system helps in circulation of air inside the vehicle. It helps in reducing this air circulation provides oxygen. This is the Ubisoft dashboard. In this project we are using it. This is the prototype for this project. Next, the blink up interface. In the conclusion, the IoT-based monitoring system was set up and was monitored and controlled successfully. The Ubisoft worked successfully in achieving future developments, such as providing high-definition camera to identify users, reliable algorithms, and high. This was the main project. You can see it clearly. Thank you.